Yes, good afternoon. Today we'll go for the multiplier. Just background and motivation for implementation, implementation, and advantage, disadvantage for multiplier. Just one of the most critical function carried out by ALU. ALU is the arithmetical logical unit. Is the digital multiplication is the most expensive used operation. The more time consuming process in the ALU is multiplication. People who design a digital signal processor is getting a lot of chip area in order to make the multiplier as fast as possible. Basically, designing of the multiplier is quite complicated. There are numerical n number of the schemes have been proposed for the realization of the operation. Multiplication, there are a number of things are the power multiplier as well array multiplier. The different multiplier are there. Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, here just see the first thing is called the serial multiplication, second is the parallel multiplication. In the serial multiplication, shift and add. The serial multiplication, shift and add, computing a set of a partial product and then sum the partial product together. The implementation is primitive with simple architecture used when there is a lack of dedicated hardware multiplier. Okay. Then second type in your syllabus there are two things, one is called serial and parallel multiplier. Okay. Parallel multiplication, a partial products are generated simultaneously, that entire thing is generated. Parallel implementation are used for high performance machine where computation latency need to be minimized. Okay. The basic principle of a array multiplier. Say I have a 4 cross 4 array multiplier. Say I have 4 cross 4 array multiplier, 4 bit information, 4 bit A0, A1, A2, A3 and B0, B1, B2, B3 are the 2 4 bit data. I want to multiply A with B. Say I want to multiply a multiplicand with the multiplier B. The product is A into B. Okay. Here in this case I took A as a 4 bit data, A is the 4 bit data and B is the another 4 bit data. For example, say this A multiplier with multiplicand. Okay, A is a multiplier, B is a multiplicand. A has a 4 bit data, A0, A1, A2 and A3 multiplied with multiplicand, that is B0, B1, B2 and B3. Already you know that. Say first bit is in the multiplicand is B0, B0 has to multiplied with A0, B0 is multiplied with A1, B0 is multiplied to A2 and B0 is multiplied with A3. Okay, that is here B0 to A naught, B naught to A1, B naught to A2 and B naught to A3. Okay. This operation is performed by AND operation. Simply if you give these two bits A naught and B naught bit has been given to the a simple AND gate. Okay. The product output of this is say A naught and B naught. Directly I can connect A naught as well as B naught to the AND gate. The product term is the P naught, that is, or the Y naught output. Similarly, to design these two things, one left shift here, a vacant or 0 or one left shift operation, then I have to perform the B1 with A naught, B1 with A naught and B1 with A1, B1 with A2 and B1 with A3. Similarly, 2 times left shift, one more time left shift, then I have to perform the next operation. Next operation is B2 with A naught, B2 with A1, B2 with A2 and B2 with A3. Similarly, last B3, this B3 I have to perform with the say B3 with A naught, B3 with A1, B3 with A2 and B3 with A3. Okay. Here first product term simply we can design with the AND gate. All the terms, all the A naught with B naught, A naught with B1, A1 with B naught, A2 with B naught, A3 with B naught, all these things can be designed simply with an AND gate. Later on, second stage, this A naught with B naught, A naught with B1 has to design with an AND gate. See these two things. First is I have to give one AND gate. These AND gate inputs are the B naught and A1. Second AND gate input is this is A naught and B1. These outputs has to give to the we can give, for this case we can use the half adder. In the half adder that is two inputs, say first input is this one and second out, that is say A and B are inputs, and output is the sum. This sum nothing but the product term. Output is the sum. This sum nothing but the P1. Next, this carry out has to give to the carry into the next operation. Okay, that is the entire operation. This is if you understand this logic thing, it is quite easy getting things. Okay, this is about the 4 cross 4. How many multiplication I have to perform? Here each row has a 4 multiplier. That means total 16. 4 into 4, 16 times I have to multiply. B naught with 4 times, B1 with 4 times, B2 with 4 times, B3 with 4 times. That means total multiplication total 16 AND gates are required. 16 AND gates are required. 16 blocks are required. 16 AND gate blocks are required. Here see that same thing. What I have told, that same logic diagram with a 4 cross 4 array multiplier. It need a 16 AND gates, 4 half adder, 8 fill adder. That total 12 adders are required for an M cross N, say A cross B, array multiplier. Array multiplier. It needs m cross m AND gate, A cross A cross B AND gates. I mean that is say a 4-bit data, 4-bit into 4-bit. It is total result is 16-bit, result is 8-bit. 4 into 4, 16 AND gates are required. In that, n half adder, n minus 2 into n full adders. Say n is the 4, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 2, 2 into 4, 8. 8 full adders are required. Total full adders is m minus 1 into n. M minus 1. M is the 4, 4 minus 1, 3. 3 into 4, 12. 12 full adders are, 12 adders are required. In that 12 adders, 4 are the half adders, 8 are the full adders. Just where we have used a half adder, where we have used a full adders. Just say here, in the initial case, for the initial case, only a full half adder is sufficient. Initially, directly A naught B naught by using the AND gate, simple AND gate, we can directly use a P naught. Second one, I have told that second time, A1 with B naught, A naught with B1. These two terms have been given to the half adder. This is a first half adder. Output is sum. Output is the sum. This is a product. This is a product. Product term is the P1. Initially, A naught into B naught is the P naught. A naught into P naught is the A naught into B naught is the P naught. A1, B naught, A naught, and B1. These two are inputs are given to the half adder. Next are the first one is the full adder. Because this full adder has required the 3 inputs. Just say the half adder where we have used the half adders. In this case, these 4 are the half adders below side. These 4 are the half adders. Next 8 are the full adders. These 8 are the full adders. Total 12 adders are there. 12 adders are there. Among the 12 adders, 4 are the half adder, 8 are the full adders. Okay. It is based on these number of bits. For example, if you take the 3 into 3, 3 bits into 3 bits, that is total is, result is, the product is 6-bit product. Product is 6-bit. Number of adders, say it is an m, it is the n, as we know that adders are, how many half adders are required? n into m minus 2. M is the 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 is 1 into 3 half adders are required. Next full adder says 3 minus, total adders are required. Total adder says 3 minus 1, 2 into 3, 6, total is 3 minus 1 into 3, for this 2 into 3, total adders are 6 adders are required. Among that, half adders are m minus 2, m is a 3 minus 2, 1 into 3 half adders are required. That means 3 half adders and 3 full adders are required when you use a 3 cross 3, when you use a 3 cross 3 multiplier. Okay. How to connect, where to connect, what the bits how to connect. If you take the, for example, I have a data A naught, A1 and A2 in 3 bits multiplied with B naught, B1, B2. First is B naught with A naught, that is A naught with B naught, first multiplier. only simply by using the AND gate it can be designed. Second one, B naught into A1, A1 into B naught. Okay, next is B naught into A2, that is A2 B naught. Next ఏం చేయాలి, here you can write a plus symbol or a 0 or one left shift operation. Then B1 with A0, B1 with A0, that is A0 multiplied with B1. Next is B1 A1, A1 into B1. Next is B1 with A2, A2 multiplied with B1. Similarly, 2 time shift operation. Then B2 with A0, B2 with A0, that is A0 plus B2, A0 multiplied with B2. Next is B2 with A1, A1 with B2. Next is B2 A2, A2 B2. Okay. Then product is, first one is P0, P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5, that is P0 to P5, total 6 bits, 6 output bits. The same thing here, just see the thing here, it is the first case we took that in this 4 bits. Here this example is for 3 bits, you can also design for n bits, n bit of array. Here A0 with B0, product is P0. Second multiplier is A1 B0 added with this entire product term we will create as an 1A, this entire product term second input for the half adder. These two things, that is A1 B0 with A0 B1 is will create by using the AND gate, it can be designed. These two things have been added, that is plus. We have to add these two things. For the addition of these two bits, simply by using the half adder it can be designed. The sum is the product 1 and carry out of this one has to given to the carry input to the next one. ఓకే, ఇవి రెండు యాడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత సమ్ వచ్చింది ప్రోడక్ట్ టర్ము, క్యారీ వచ్చింది, నెక్స్ట్ క్యారీ ఇన్ టు ది నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఓకే, హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్ ఎ సమ్ అండ్ క్యారీ ఈస్ గివన్ టు ది, ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్ ఎ ఫుల్ యాడర్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ది full adder. For the full adder 3 inputs are there, 3 inputs are carry out from the previous one and next two things is these two, A2 B1, A2 B0, A1 B1. Here A1 B1 and this one is A2 B0. These two and carry out the previous is given to the full adder. Sum, this sum and next one input is A0 B2, A0 B2. Sum of this is given to the next half adder. Product of this is sum P2. Similarly, the operation will be same carried out. The same operation, the operation will be same for the next further steps also. For these 3 bits, it will follow this fashion. For 3 bits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 half adders and 2 full adders. Okay, it is about the a simple operation of a multiplier. Okay, principle of the multiplication, how we have to that things that using the AND gate and full adder, half adder, how what is in a sum, what is in a carry, what should be things are there. Okay, it is an array multiplier. The array multiplier, the same logic will be used, the same logic. A naught bit is given for the entire 4 terms, and the product term, this is the b naught, b1, b2, b3, b naught, b1, b2, b3, these are the multiplicants. A naught, a1, a2, a3 are the multiplier, multiplicand and multiplier. Okay, these b naught is given for the entire thing. These are the adders logic, adder diagrams only, these are the adders only. Okay, here thing is there in the array multiplier. See the here array, in the array multiplier the adders have been increased. Simultaneously, parallelly we can perform the operation in this. Okay, that p naught, p1, p2, p3, p4, p5, p6, p7 are the product terms. A naught, a1, a2, a3 are the first multiplicand. B naught, b1, b2, b3 are the multiplier and multiplicand. Okay, this is an array multiplier, simple logic diagram of the array multiplier. Using the Verilog, we can design these things. I think in the laboratory you have the things called the serial in, parallel out, parallel in, serial out. The logics, basic logics in the serial in, parallel out and parallel in, serial out will be utilized in the code, VLSI code. Okay, this is about the one thing. Just wait. Okay, already I have explained a little bit about the things called adder, adder as well as the multiplier. Okay, the same thing here, just see the a bit level multiplier. In that already I have explained this one. Once again we will review the things. Okay, the bit level multiplier is a into b, that is only when both are 1, output is 1, that is AND logic, a into b logic. Multiplication of a 2 4-bit word, 4-bit data, a nibble, NIBBL, nibble data, the how the operation is performed. Okay, that is the product is generally the product is twice the number of bits, twice the, for example 4-bit, 4 into 2, that is 8-bit product. If 5 bits, the result is 5 into 2, 10 bits. If 3 bits, 3-bit data, 3 into 2, 6 bits. If 2 bits, 2 into 2, okay, 4 bits, output is same. Same data, 2 into 1, 1 bit is 2 outputs. It is product. With respect to product, how many adders are required? Already I have explained that one. This is a simple logic. One more alternative way of a multiplication process in the array multiplier, how we have things. Okay, simply just see here the data a naught, a1, a2, a3 are there. I have to multiply with b naught. This one, this entire array, I have to multiply with the b1, that is 2 to the power of 0th location, 2 to the power of 0, and that is shift location, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 1 is 2. From second location onwards, second location, I have to multiply same data, that is b1, with entire these things. Next 2 to the power of 2, that is fourth location, location third, 2 times shift operator, after 2 times shift operation, I have to multiply with the b2. Same thing with the 2 to the power of 3, fourth location I have to multiply with the b3. Okay, it is one of the alternative view of multiplication process. It is an alternative view of the multiplication process. I have told that in the previously that how it is the array multiplier, how we will take that things. Okay, if you understand this thing, that is b naught is multiplied with a naught, a1, a2, a3. Same, that is 2 to the power of 0th location, that is starting location. Next multiplier it starts with a 2 to the power of 1. It is one shift. After one shift, I need to take the b1 with the entire multiplier. Next similarly b2 with entire thing, b3 with entire thing. This is an alternative view of a multiplication process. Okay, how it has been, how we have to take. First is just say product register, 8 product is 8-bit product. First 8 all are 8-bit registers, first product. Next ఒక లొకేషన్ ని ఎంప్టీ చేసుకోవాలి, ఎంప్టీ చేసుకొని షిఫ్ట్ లెఫ్ట్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత I have to multiply with the a term, a entire a with b1. Next is 2 time shift, I have to multiply with the b2. 3 time shift, I have to multiply with the b3. 5 minutes అన్న మారుతుంది, 5 minutes అంతే. Okay, this is a product. 4 registers are required within a product also 8-bit register. Okay, how that operation shift right and that operation, the product operation, this is a shift right multiplication sequence. What sequence I have to first, after multiplication, what I have to shift, when I have to add, what are the things I have to add. This is in a process. Okay, simple register based, what multiplicand and multiplier, how to select multiplicand and multiplier to the multiplexer. It is a simple logic diagram of the multiplication process. Okay, it is a consider 2 unsigned binary integers. Say these two things, product pk is a product, k is an input, that operation. Okay, this is already have told that operation. Here x and y are the inputs, x and y. I have to multiply y with the x0, x1, x2, x3. Second time shift right, and y1 has to multiply with x, all these things. Y2 has to multiply with this one, and y3 is multiplied with all these things. Okay, product p0, p1, p2, p3, p4, p5, p6, p7, product terms. Okay, it is an array multiplier, born array multiplier. This is one of the important diagram. Okay, here plus symbol is there, no plus symbol, this plus symbol are the adders. ప్లస్ సింబాల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, యాడర్స్. ఈ యాడర్స్ ఈ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్లో ఉండేవన్నీ, రైట్ సైడ్లో మీకు రైట్ సైడ్లో ఉండేవన్నీ ఇవన్నీ, దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ హాఫ్ యాడర్స్, దీస్ 4 హాఫ్ యాడర్. నెక్స్ట్ ఆర్ ది ఫుల్ యాడర్స్. ఓకే, ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఫుల్ యాడర్ ఉంటుంది, 2 ఇన్పుట్ వస్తే హాఫ్ యాడరు, 3 ఇన్పుట్ వస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఫుల్ యాడర్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇంపార్టెంట్ లాజిక్ డయాగ్రామ్, అరే మల్టిప్లయర్. ఈ అరే మల్టిప్లయర్ని చాలా ఎగ్జామ్లో అడిగాడు. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ ప్రీవియస్ వన్, దిస్ థింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్వైట్ ఈజీ ఫర్ ది గెటింగ్ ది థింగ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ సింపుల్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ దేర్. ఇక్కడ ఏ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం, ఇక్కడ ఏ అండ్ బి అని తీసుకున్నాను, అక్కడ x1 x2 అని తీసుకున్నాను. జస్ట్ ఇక్కడ a0, a1, a2, a3, ఇయర్ b0, b1, b2, b3. జస్ట్ ఒకసారి షిఫ్ట్ చేసుకుంటా, రైట్ షిఫ్ట్ చేసుకుంటా అంటే ఈ ఆపరేషన్ అనేది లెఫ్ట్ షిఫ్ట్. ఇనిషియలీ ఇన్ దాట్ ప్రాసెస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ రైట్ షిఫ్ట్ ఆపరేషన్. ఓకే, ఒక ప్లేస్ వదిలేస్తున్నాము, ఇక్కడ లెఫ్ట్లో వదిలేస్తున్నాము, రైట్ సైడ్లో వదిలేస్తున్నాము, రైట్ సైడ్లో. హియర్ ఎంప్టీ ప్లేస్, location, one location we are leaving, first, second, third, and these are the product terms. Plus ani unna daggara it is an adder, plus ani indicate chestunama, it is adder. Okay, here that y0 is multiplied with all the terms, y1 is multiplied with all the terms, y2 is multiplied with the x, all the x terms, and y3 is multiplied with all the x terms. It is an array multiplier. Okay. Next class lo I will finish the two more topics are there. One is called the FPGA and CPLD PLA, programmable logic array, and field programmable gate array, complex field programmable field CPLD. PLD is a programmable device array. Okay. Complex programmable device array. We will go for that two topics in the next class. I will wind up the all the that VLSA topic, VLSA subject in the next class.